In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new project name in Grok. Let's get started right from the Grok homepage. Open your browser and head to grok.com. Once you're on the site, look for the navigation that lists your main work areas. Find the project section and click it. This is where all your existing work is organized, and it's also where you'll create something new. Inside projects, look for a button or link labeled Create Project. Go ahead and select it to open the setup screen. You'll see a field where you can type your project name. Keep this name clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. For example, include the purpose, product, or date, and avoid special characters that might make searching or sorting harder. Don't worry if you change your mind. Names can usually be updated later, but choosing a good one now saves time down the road. Below the name, you'll see an area for instructions. This section is optional, but it's very helpful if you want to guide how the project should behave or be used. Think of it as a short brief. Outline the goal, the audience, any tone or constraints, and important do's and don'ts. If you already have clarity, add those notes now to keep your work consistent. If you're not ready, that's completely fine too. You can skip this part and come back once you've gathered more details. When you're satisfied with the name and any instructions you've added, click Next. On the following screen, you'll have the option to add a product source. This is another optional step. A product source is any material Grok can reference to better understand your project, things like documentation, links, files, or other reference content your team relies on. If you have a reliable source prepared and it's relevant, attach or connect it now so the project has context from day one. If you don't have that ready, or you're just testing things out, you can skip this as well. It won't block you from creating the project, and you can add sources later as your content matures. With those choices made, you'll see a Create button. Click Create to finalize everything. Grok will set up your new project and bring you into it. From here, you can start building, refine your instructions, attach sources, and keep your naming and structure consistent as your work evolves. That's all it takes. Open projects, create a project, choose a clear name, optionally add instructions and a product source, then confirm with Create. You now have a clean, well-labeled starting point ready for your next steps in Grok.